Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hashir Mehmood AI Wala and I am a student at Rehan School Foundation and today uh, I am completing my day 51 task Please the Evolution of Politeness. So for today's task we will be asking Sesame questions about please. So first of all let's start our conversation with Sesame. We are going to talk to Miles for this one.
Miles here. What do you go by?
What's up? How are you, Miles?
I'm doing great. Just hanging out. How's your Friday treating you?
It's going super good. So I wanted to ask if I could ask you a few questions about the word please.
Shoot, I'm all ears. What's on your mind?
So the first question is, when did people first start using please in English?
Let me check. I've always wondered if people just demanded things back in the day or if they had some other way of being polite, but it looks like please actually showed up around 1300. It comes from the Latin word placere and hit English via Old French. The wild part is that for a long time, people didn't just say please, they used full phrases like, if it please you. It took until the late 18th century for us to get lazy and just shorten it to the one word we use now.
Okay.
Pretty funny how we've been streamlining our politeness for centuries. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, yes, I understand. And
Cool.
is saying please considered polite in every culture?
Let me look into that. I've always felt like politenesses is one of those things that varies wildly depending on where you are, and it turns out that's the case here. Saying please isn't a universal rule. In some Asian cultures, for instance, respect is baked into the verb form or the context of the conversation rather than using a specific word for it. It's kind of dope how some places just vibe with the respect without needing to explicitly say it. You think that's more natural or just more confusing?
Hmm, I don't know. Moving on, how did the meaning of please change over time?
Let me check that. It's kind of wild how a word can start out meaning to delight or be agreeable to someone and then slowly morph into this tool for making requests. It went from these long formal phrases to a Scottish version in the 16th century, and it eventually just became the short please we use now.
Yes.
Basically, a centuries long process of editing down. You got any other word deep dives on your list?
Yeah, can saying please change the way someone